Welcome back. Now we are going to add two-digit numbers using a number line. So we are going to add 23 plus 54 using a number line. Okay, so the first thing we are going to do is we are going to draw a number line. We keep it open like this so that we can do what we need to do and it's not cluttered up by the lines that some students like to draw lines, and I tell them just keep it open because that's going to make them think that they have to use the lines and use specific places, and it tends to confuse them. So we're going to keep our number line open so that we can only do what we need to do. So we have 23 plus 54. When we're adding on a number line, we are going to start on the left with the first number that we are going to be adding. So we're going to start with 23. And we are adding 54. So we do not want to end on 54. We want to add through jumps, through adding tens and ones. We're going to add that on the number line, and then we will see what we will end up with at the end. Okay, so we have 5 tens in 54, so we are going to add 10 5 times. So we have 23 plus 10, and 23 plus 10 is 33. We're going to add 10 a second time because we need to add 10 5 times. So this is our second 10, okay, plus 10. 33 plus 10 is 43. We're going to add 10 a third time, plus 10. 43 plus 10 is 53. We're going to add 10 a fourth time because remember we're adding 5 tens. So here's our fourth 10 plus 10. 53 plus 10 is 63. And now we're going to add our fifth 10 because we have to add 5 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's do it one more time. Plus 10. 63 plus 10 is 73. And now we're going to add our ones. There are 4 ones in 54. So we're going to say plus 4. 73 plus 4 is 77. So our answer is 77. Now we started by adding the tens first and then the ones. You can also start by adding the ones first. So we'll do that down here. Okay, so here's our equation. 23 plus 54. Draw our number line. We're going to start with 23 on the left and add 54 through our jumps. Okay, so we're going to start with ones this time. There are 4 ones in 54, so we're going to add 4. 23 plus 4 is 27. And now we're going to add our 5 tens. 27 plus 10 is 37. 37 plus 10 is 47. 47 plus 10 is 57. 57 plus 10 is 67. And 67 plus 10 is 77. What you want to do is you want to make sure that you added 54 with your jumps. So you're always going to want to make sure that you have that number. So we have 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 is 50, plus 4 is 54. So that's how you can double check to see that you have everything you need. Now, some students might want to do it a faster way. I can show you that really quick. So here's our number line. 23 on the left, okay? And here's a slightly faster way to add it if your student is ready for this. You can, so we have 23 plus 54. You can jump your 5 tens, your 50, all in one go. So you can say 23 plus 50, if they can add that quickly in their head, is 73. Okay, and then your 4 ones, 73 plus 4. 73 plus 4 is 77. Okay, So there's many different ways that they can do it. As long as you're adding your 10s and your 1s, you should end up on the same number, the correct answer. Thanks for watching.